Hi friends, myself Professor Yogesh Zamre, and today we are going to learn about the microwave assisted synthesis, that is microwave synthesizer. Microwave assisted organic synthesis is the synthesis of the preparation of the desired organic compound from the available starting material via the procedure using the microwave irradiation. It can be often dramatically reduce the reaction time, that is from the days, hours to the minutes or some few seconds. Moreover, it can be more eco-friendly technique. So we have at our institute microwave synthesizer. The name of this microwave synthesizer is Catalyst. The model Cata R/2R, and the cost of this equipment is almost 1,19,000 rupees. Push the main switch of the electric supply for the continuous electric. Make sure that the flask and the connecting tubes is placed at the right position. Select power level and time on the control panel. Selection of the power level depends on the solvent kept inside. Point less the power level. At the power level 8, 9, H. Don't fire the microwave continuously for more than 10 minutes. Level 6 and 7, not more than 15 minutes. At power level 1 to 5, not more than 25 minutes. Time can be set in multiplies of 1 minute and 5 minutes. To measure the temperature, press stop on the panel and dip the probe in the solvent. To check the temperature, shut the door properly and press start. Your microwave has begun. The time display starts continuing downwards. To stop the synthesizer, press stop or open the door. Standard operating procedure for using the microwave synthesizer.
Action.
So this microwave synthesizer have some advantage over some conventional heating. So what is the advantage? The advantages are reduction in unwanted side reactions, improved yield, simplified and improved synthetic procedures, efficient and uniform heating, reduce the wastage of the heating reaction vessels. So these same have disadvantages are there. The disadvantages are heat force control is difficult. Closed container is dangerous because it could burst.
Start.
For the demonstration of the microwave synthesizer, we are taking one practical. The aim of the practical is to synthesize 2,3-diphenyl-phenoxylene from benzene and the orthophenyl diamine. For that, the requirement of the chemicals are benzene, orthophenyl diamine and rectified spirit. Glasswares, RBF, beaker, funnel and the filter paper. The procedure for the synthesis of 2,3-diphenyl-phenoxylene. We already weighed benzene, orthophenyl diamine and the rectified spirit. First, we are adding the benzene 2.1 gram, then orthophenyl diamine 1.1 gram, which is equivalent to the 1 mole. And finally, we are going to add the rectified spirit, that is 16 ml. To avoid the pumping, we are going to add the porcelain piece. Now we are going to start the actual synthesis. So we are in our procedure, the power level should be maintained up to the 5 because we are using the solvent rectified spirit, and for the rectified spirit we are going to use the power level up to 5, and the 2 minutes reaction condition is there. So we have the 2 minutes, and then I am going to press the start button. So of this reaction is the orthophenol diamine when reacts with the benzene in presence of the rectified spirit. Okay, so reaction time should be 2 minutes. We'll get the 2,3 diphenyl quinoxanate. But by the conventional heating, same type of the reaction requires 30 minutes. But by the microwave synthesizer, we are reducing the time up to the 2 minutes. Actually, it does in this microwave synthesizer. In this electromagnetic spectrum, the microwave irradiation region is located between the infrared radiation and the radio waves. The telecommunication and the microwave equipment occupy many of the band's frequencies in the region. In order to avoid the interference with this system, the household and the industrial microwave oven operate at the fixed frequency of 2.45 GHz. For the microwave heating, the subtle must possess a dipole moment. Dipole moment is sensitive to external electric field and try to align itself with the field by the rotation. If submitted to an alternating current, the electric field is inverse at each alternates, and therefore dipoles tends to move together to follow the inverse electric field, such as the characteristic induced rotation and friction of the molecule, which dissipates the internal homogeneous heating. The electric field of the commonly used radiation frequency 2450 MHz oscillate 4.9 into 10⁹ time per second. The ability of the material to convert the electromagnetic radiation energy into the heat energy. Of the reaction, the instrument will be beeped and automatically it stops. After completion of the reaction, you can remove the reaction vessel and pour this reaction mixture into the cold water. You will see the turbid solution. Now you can cool this solution, and after cooling this reaction mixture, just you can filter it. After filtration, the product will be dried. Okay. Then it is recrystallized from the ethanol. After that, we'll get the 2,3 diphenyl quinoxanate. Thanks for showing your patience and giving your attention